Whoa! What's up, you guys? It's me, your homeboy, Romeo Cool Bad Boy. It's been a while since I made a collab or a video on this channel. So, what I'm gonna want you to do, there's this theme song going viral all over the world and all over the United States and all the way into Canada and whatnot. It's called Far Down Going. Here, let me try and say it right. Let me try and say it better. Far Down Go. Yeah, you like that effect, huh? So yeah, there's this collab going around where you just go da 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 da. So that's all you have to do. So me and my good friend Drew, you can subscribe to him on YouTube. We're doing this collab. It's gonna be huge. It's one of the biggest trends going on YouTube right now. So if you wanna make something big and you don't wanna be late again, then come on, send us a clip and we'll upload it once we get enough clips, alright? So, go ahead and send us a clip. All you gotta do is...